Hi, fans from All for Hunters and All for Shooters. My name's Eric Ward. I'm originally from the St. Louis, Missouri area in the U.S., and I'm here to present to you the Merkel K5. The K5 is an extremely light rifle that's really optimal for stalking or hunting in the mountains. Today we use the 6.5 Creedmoor. We have a lead-free ammunition from RWS. The 6.5 is great. I remember back in the day we used to use 308. It was king. We've turned the page. We've moved on now to the 6.5. It's fantastic because it has a nice flat trajectory and the recoil is very light, which is really important in a single shot break action rifle that's very light, such as this. Some people would argue that a single shot rifle has disadvantages and that you can't do quick follow-up shots. To that I would say that this rifle is built to be so precise, one shot is all you need. We all know that 90% of the time that is the case. With a Merkel K5, you can actually swap out the barrel very easily. Much like a shotgun, you can take off the fore end and swap the barrel out with relative ease. I'll go ahead and show you. We have these nice QD attachments for your sling. And there you go. You can go ahead and swap to a different caliber should you need to. The trigger in this rifle is the best I've ever shot. It's very crisp, it pulls at around 2 pounds, and the position of the trigger is adjustable so that you can find the optimal position for your shooting finger. For those of you familiar with the K3, the predecessor to the K5, you might remember that the cocking mechanism was very light. Well, this one is even lighter. It's very easy to push forward and also very quiet. So today we're stalking roe deer here in the forest in southern Germany. But if I think about what this weapon was originally designed for, it was really designed for mountain terrain. It's extremely light, 2.3 kilos, which is just around 5 pounds. And if I think about my buddies in the US, it'd be perfect for stalking an elk in Colorado or just at home hunting chamois in the Swiss Alps. So the K5 is a single shot break action rifle. Extremely quiet, quality is super. Some people would argue that having a single shot brings a major disadvantage, and I would disagree. This rifle brings to me 3 key things: a great barrel, the best trigger in the world, and a beautiful design. If you ask me, Merkel has brought hunting back to its most purest form. So the K5 comes in different wood grades. This one in particular is a grade 6. It has a nice Bavarian cheek rest, but you can also have a custom stock made if you so choose. So this rifle uses the Merkel eyesight system. These are fully adjustable sights. They can also be removed with a simple Allen key. It's got a threaded muzzle, M15 thread, so if you wanted to, you could put a suppressor on this rifle. I probably wouldn't. One of its secrets is that it's so light. So if you put a suppressor on the end of it, you're going to take away from that advantage a little bit. And also, this rifle is so beautiful by itself. Why would you put a suppressor on it? So the K5 comes in a multitude of calibers, everything from .222 all the way up to 300 Win Mag, and everything in between. So what does every ounce counts mean to me? It means to me if you're trekking through the mountains, I don't care how strong you are, you don't want a heavy rifle on your shoulder. Everybody knows that that is eventually going to suck. That's why you need a nice, light, precise rifle like the Merkel K5.